What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best motorcycle USB charger. Using USB port is a great way to connect to multiple devices and charging your phone without worrying about battery drainage. There are a lot of products available to choose to sit up pillows, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best sit-up pillows products from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Battery Tender USB Charger. Battery Tender appeared on top of the list as the best motorcycle USB charger. The USB adapter has certain features that make every rider want to charge their phones. If you have a charger offering multiple charging powers, Battery Tender is the right choice. To unwrap the features, the charger has a quick disconnection plug with USB charger 12-volt input and 2.1 amps output. This makes a great charge for charging different devices for various charging powers. You do not have to fear overheating and explosion. With great portability, the charger can charge different phone brands of various phone models. The charger can charge multiple devices on the go. If you own multiple devices, this charger will solve your problem. The charger is usable for most 12-volt batteries on the majority of different types of motorcycles. This makes a perfect charging device for those motorcycles that have 12-volt. The adapter attaches to the existing Battery Tender quick disconnect. This makes the best motorcycle phone charger. Number 2. YONHAN Motorcycle USB Charger. YONHAN has come up with the best motorcycle USB charger that has fit in the best USB charger for motorcycle. To search for a USB charger with an adapter, YONHAN has all the functions you need. The USB charger has definite features to stand out from the rest of its competitors. To dive into the functions, the charger has an on-off switch button and 3 installs options to attach to different parts of your bike. This helps to turn off the charger when not in use and preserves the charger safely. The adapter has energy saving and device protection to prevent battery drainage. Regarding the LED voltage display, the adapter has a built-in voltmeter where it monitors the battery, the electrical system, and indicates the voltage on the screen. This will allow you to know the level of your battery. You do not have to wait tediously for the charger to complete. Number 3. iMESTOU Motorcycle USB Charger. The iMESTOU USB phone charger represents the latest in motorcycle charging technology and features wireless capability housed in a rugged, weatherproof platform. With its unique 4-corner locking mechanism that securely grasps devices, this unit can accommodate a wide range of sizes, including the latest iPhones and Android devices. One of the unique features of the iMESTOU charging system is that it is a hybrid charger that allows for wireless, 15-watt charging capability with a sensitivity range of up to 0.38 mm, meaning that even phones in thick cases can be charged wirelessly. Alternatively, phones can be charged via USB cable using the built-in USB 3.0 charging port. Other notable features of this unit include: the 4-corner locking mechanism keeps devices securely fastened to the charging platform and can be fully rotated for optimal viewing. The quick-release mechanism can be operated with one hand to retrieve devices effortlessly. The hidden, waterproof power switch has 3 positions: wireless charging, cable charging, and off to conserve the motorcycle's battery. Number 4. MICTUNING 𝐁𝐿 USB Charger. MICTUNING 𝐁𝐿 has come up with a motorcycle USB charger. The product has made the best motorcycle USB charger where you can charge your device on the road. To search for a charger without consuming too much power, this product is the right choice. The motorcycle USB port has a dual purpose where it can directly power by the existing 𝐁𝐿 outlet of your motorcycle or obtain power from the battery. This works by connecting to the ring terminal extension cable. All you have to do is to pull out the 𝐁𝐿 cable to prevent power consumption. That way, you do not have to worry about overheating or explosion. The charger has a power backup for USB devices, which has a power output of 2.1 amp. The USB port can charge 99% of phone brands and multiple devices. The charger has made in flame-retardant ABS, good conductive copper materials. Number 5. Ginsco Cigarette USB Charger. Ginsco has come up with a USB motorcycle charger by manufacturing a dual USB charger and a cigarette lighter. This makes a perfect combination for those riders who want to charge their phones and light a cigarette. To charge your device and light your cigarette, this product says it all. To unwrap the features, the charger has 10A inline fuses to protect your plug from overload. You do not have to worry about your devices damaging the battery. The best motorcycle USB charger offers 12 to 24 volts and has 2 interfaces for charging 2 devices. This helps to save time on charging on each device. The charger has 2 amp and 1 amp output for each port. The product has a blue LED light to show the status of the charge. This allows you to know the completion of the charge without waiting tediously. Regarding the socket has a cap that seals the front of the socket to prevent damage. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem please comment below.